हेलो दोस्तों, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है एथनोबॉटनी यानी लोक विज्ञान। एथनोबॉटनी इज द स्टडी ऑफ इंटर रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन प्लांट एंड प्यूपल। द मीन्स ऑफ एथनो, द स्टडी ऑफ प्यूपल। द मीन्स ऑफ बॉटनी, द स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट्स। Introduction and concept. The term ethnobotany was coined by J.W. Hershberger in 1895, a professor of botany University of Pennsylvania. According to Berlin, 1992, ethnobotany is complex relationship of plants to present and past societies. According to Cotton, 1996, all studies which concern the mutual relationship between plants and traditional people. Martin, 1995, ethnobotany is part of ethnobiology, which concerns plants. As back as 4000 BC, medicinal plants were used by primitive Chinese. The earliest documented applications and found in Babylon circa 1770 BC. The Hippocrates, called as the father of medicines AD 77, the Greek surgeon Dioscorides published De Materia Medica 1600. Plants. Scope of ethnobotany. Its scope was much elaborated by Ford 1978 and Falk 1958. In recent years, much work in this science has been done in the many countries. एग्जाम्पल है इंडिया, अफ्रीका, अमेरिका, फ्रांस, मैक्सिको, यूएसए, etc. Ethnobotany has attracted attention during last 3 decades. The scope of ethnobotany in recent time and failure has been established with the problem of first rural health, second drug or abuses, social customs, third cottage industries, fourth conservation of ecosystem, 5 nutrition and energy, fifth recent researches on ethnobotany have today established linkage between many special areas like ethnomedicine, ethnopharmacology, ethnoveterinary, ethno-narcotics, ethnobiology, ethno-cosmetics, etc. Relevance of ethnobotany. Plant researches have served not only for the primary human needs but also for health care since time immemorial. Indigenous knowledge in being recognized worldwide owing to their intrinsic value as well as potential instrumental connotation to phytodiversity conservation and modern drug development. Ethnobotany has played important role in the development of new drugs for many centuries and become increasingly important in defining strategies and actions for conservation of recuperation of residual forests. There is greater interest in ethnobotany today than at any time in the discipline's history. This article analyzes the relevance of ethnobotany in current scenario. It is anticipated that in the future ethnobotany may play an increasingly important role in sustainable development and biodiversity conservation.